Well, thank you. And I am excited to kick us off today by sharing a project that evolved from conversations at the 2019 NERRA and NERRA annual meeting, actually in the Southeastern Caribbean regional session there, where we were discussing the need to respond to recent hurricane events like Dorian, Michael, Florence, Maria, Irma, and Michael. And we wanted to do so using our reserve data, which aligns well with the NERRS Science Collaborative focus area of synthesizing long-term monitoring data and information from the System-Wide Monitoring Program, or SWMP, and transfers an existing approach for more specific communication goals. And so out of that meeting came this project, Storm Stories. By developing a print and online story about a storm event, we hope to communicate the value of SWMP and NERR programming to our communities. The project team is working with reserve staff and NERRA as end user groups to design the products and sees these end user groups as product users and code users. Our reserve educators from the coastal training programs and education programs, as well as NERRA, would be using these products as tools to communicate the storm impacts, water quality, and the value of SWMP. And then our SWMP and research staff at the reserves would also use these products as communication tools, but primarily use the R script that's going to be created from this project to help analyze the SWMP data. And the way that these templates are going to be designed is that they will be flexible, allowing for customization based on the reserves or the storm. And as we all know, each storm is very different. So this project kicked off in October of 2020, and since then we've worked closely with our end users to learn what type of information and data is needed and of interest when sharing information about hurricane impacts and recovery. The collaborative feedback really began at the 2019 annual meeting, but we also have used time at the 2020 annual meeting to get feedback from our region. And we've had several project team members who have also shared this project and solicited feedback at the NERRS Disaster Response Working Group meetings, our own respective reserves, and at Grand Bay's NERRS Staff Lunch and Learn, as well as the NERRS technical training workshop and meetings with NERRA. And through those discussions, we've learned that our product should include information about the data before and after storm events, recovery times of our systems, unusual and significant data, storm surge, storm degree, duration, historical context, and comparison to other reserves. And we're going to hopefully do that by using data analysis related to wind, rainfall, water depth, dissolved oxygen, and salinity. And these templates, the online and the print, will exist in an R framework. They'll be easy to generate, similar to the SWMP status reports that Limnotech also developed with guidance from many of you. So they'll be easy to produce, which is what we all need after we're recovering from storms, customizable and easy to maintain over time. And we plan on hosting a system-wide webinar in March of 2022 to share how to use both the print and online templates as well as the R package. And we hope that the project will help improve the technical capacity of our reserves to analyze, visualize, and contextualize our extreme storm events, improve illustrations of how hurricanes impact our coastal communities and water quality, expand incorporation of SWMP and specific hurricane data in NERRS programming, enhance awareness of SWMP data and the coordinated monitoring efforts of the reserves that could help improve resilience and decision-making abilities for our resource managers, and develop a product that's expandable to all of the reserves and transferable to different extreme weather events that we're all experiencing.